Greetings, Laingholm Primary School. I'm sorry one can't be with you today, since coming to the throne at the age of 25, and now that I am 96, one's feeling rather tired. So one has sent my firstborn son, Prince Charles, to plant a tree on one's behalf. I want to thank each and every one of you at Laingholm Primary for your best wishes and wish you all much success in the future. I renew my pledge that one made in 1947 that my life will always be devoted to your service. These last 7 decades have seen extraordinary progress in many areas, and I am confident the future will offer similar opportunities, especially for you youngsters at Laingholm School. And now, over to you, Charles. Now, where are those corgis? Here, Fergus! Candy, where are you?
Mummy has been unable to come today, but she has decreed that trees be planted in her honour for her 75th Jubilee. Then all the trees will give the Commonwealth oxygen and be around for many years after Mummy has gone. This tree planting in Laingholm Primary School is called a Golden Queen Peach Tree in honour of Queen Elizabeth II, Mummy. Get out of it, Corgi! Get out of it! I think we're good.